To enable private browsing on your MacBook using either Chrome or Safari is quite simple. Safari calls this private window browsing, and on the Chrome browser, it's called incognito. Here's how to enable private mode on Safari if you're using a Mac. With Safari open on your Mac, select File from the top menu bar, and then choose New Private Window. Safari will open a new private browsing window. You'll know that you're browsing privately based on the black background and Safari's confirmation. When you're done browsing privately, simply close the window to exit private browsing. Click the little red circle in the top left corner to disable private browsing and go back to normal browsing. If, for whatever reason, you want to keep your private browsing window open but browse normally on a new tab, simply switch to a normal browsing window. If you don't have one currently open, click File, then select New Window. Now let's switch to Chrome. With a browser window open, select File from the upper left menu bar, and then choose New Incognito Window. An incognito window can also be opened by selecting the triple dot icon located at the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select New Incognito Window. Like Safari, Chrome also displays information on what browsing activity might still be visible and what will not be tracked. There you go. Now you know how to use Chrome's incognito mode and Safari's private browsing mode on macOS devices. It's important to note that incognito mode does not fully conceal your browsing activity like a VPN does. Your activity could still be visible to the websites you visit, as well as anything that tracks IP addresses or MAC addresses, along with your internet service provider. Additionally, if you're using a network from work or school, system administrators can still track your activity. Feel free to leave your comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.